in Arusha, Tanzania.
In this department we do weaving, so we create hand-woven products like blankets, scarf. This is one among the tool that we are using here. It's a bicycle whip, and we use it for winding process and spinning process as well. You see the spool? So we're always depending the color from these spools to get the color to our fabric. See this color?
Yes.
Same here.
Yes.
Press number 1, just 1 and 2 comes up. But when it change, by pressing number 4,
Wow.
2 and 3 comes up. So every time I have change before pulling again.
Wow, you need to be really good upstairs, like calculation before you can do this.
The process.
Oh, wow. Never thought that's possible.
This is Africa made, produced in Tanzania. And this is lovely.
So here they do sewing of fabric.
Yeah, we have something like this as well in Nigeria.
Yeah. So this fabric, they are all made in Tanzania. So we buy the printed fabric and we use them to
This one is more transparent.
Yeah, this is light.
Very light.
Light and
Very
heavy.
light. Oh.
Types of local fabrics. We are making here. Like,
Wow.
This is Kanga Shanga necklace. Kid size apron, bags. Hi everyone.
How you doing? It's a beautiful day, and we're here. We're still in Arusha, Tanzania. And what are we here for?
This is welcome so much. This is Shanga program. Shanga is a creative source here in Arusha. We give opportunities to people with disabilities to learn different skills, and we employ them to work in our creative workshop. So this place is very eco-friendly program because we use different recycled materials in numerous ways, and we have 64 number of employees. Most of them, they have some challenges like physical challenges, hearing problems, and autism. So let's see what is going on around the workshop. Then we end up to see the gift shop, everything that's made by the people around the workshop. So let's go.
Wow.
Jumbo, 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 jumbo.
Jumbo.
So actually, our workshop having almost 5 departments, and this is one among the departments. In this department, we do weaving, so we create hand-woven products like blankets, scarf, table mat, and napkins. We do using the cotton materials. So this is cotton here, and cotton is locally grown in Tanzania. But we change color as well here. We do hand dye, we do natural dye. So at this moment, we're doing a setting process, setting up. Okay. Because you know that once we make several pieces of blankets, you will find the beam here empty, the thread empty. So it has to fill by rolling, then arranging one thread by one like that. So the process of setting the loom takes 4 to 6 days, very complicated.
Wow. 46 days.
Yeah, this is very difficult because this is a manual machine. Machine that we are using here is very old-fashioned, very traditional. And this technique was used before industrial revolution.
So what you're producing here, is it like blankets?
Yeah, like this one. It is just for blankets. We do blankets here, different sizes. We do double-size blanket, single-size blanket, master warrior size. We also creating napkins, table runners, and scarf. Yeah. So there is doing a scarf, making a scarf.
Wow. What's it doing right now?
At this moment, the weaver is doing a scarf.
Like the one behind you?
Like this one, this size. We have a size, exact size. Let me show you. Okay. Just wait.
Okay, you said we should wait.
The size. The final product.
Hand weave.
Hand woven, yes. Hand woven.
Whoa.
Hand woven. Yeah, this is very good for the cold weather. Very good cold weather. Because it's pure cotton.
So this thing that looks like bicycle tire, it's also like local made machines.
Sure, you know that we have some
Yeah, it is behind us.
Yeah, we have some tools that we are using to during preparation to prepare the yarn. So this is one among the tool that we are using there. It's a bicycle wheel, and we use it for winding process and spinning process as well. Once we finish to dye, we have to do the bobbins by using the bicycle wheel. So we just winding by using the bicycle wheel.
Okay.
And we have another wheel there for spinning process. So just from these bobbins, you can able to do the spools. So spin the spools by using that bicycle wheel there.
Wow.
Yeah. Right. So see, from these bobbins, it's going now to do the spools. The spools like this.
Wow. This is like a thread.
They're threads. All of them are threads.
You can touch it.
All of them are threads, but we just spinning them different colors. See, we have different colors.
Wow.
Different colors. You know that we are always depending the color from the spools
Okay.
to get the color to the final product like this.
Why,
the setting,
why is it taken from here to this place?
because he has to arrange this.
Okay,
He
in
has
that
to
place.
arrange this. Then, if you want a blanket like this color, we have to use these spools. Then we start to make a blanket. The certain color.
Oh.
Yeah. Just come this side. You see the blanket here? Has two colors.
That's the white.
See? These are like green and yellow.
Oh, this pose is here.
Yeah, you see the spool here?
The spool.
You see the spool? So
Yeah.
we're always depending the color from these spools to get the color to our fabric.
Wow.
You see this color?
Yeah.
Same here.
Yes.
So I think
Wow.
Jackson is going to do the demonstration for you.
Okay.
Just watch.
Oh, look at.
Just watch.
Hello, Jackson.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. You?
Yeah.
Otto.
Nice to
And
meet you.
Ife.
Where are you from?
Nigeria.
You're most welcome.
Yeah. You know, I've seen this. We do something like this in Nigeria, but it's for a small one. We call it Asho Ofi.
Oh,
Yeah.
Asho?
Ofi. Asho means clothes.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow. So it's starting from there.
Yeah.
I got a new one. This is new one.
There's a new one. Oh. Oh. Wow. Now he wants to change the spoke.
Yeah, it's going to put the spool
Wow.
side there.
Okay, just one.
Yeah.
One here. You don't need to put one over there, right?
No, but the thing is, when I press, right now I just press pen number 1. Then I
Whoa.
shoot from this and that side. Then I change, so it comes with another way.
Oh, this with this you can change. You can decide where the thread goes. Oh,
Yeah,
those
yeah.
things are meant for this.
With shaft. So when I press number 1, just 1 and 2 comes up. But when I change, by pressing number 4,
Wow.
2 and 3 comes up. So every time I have changed before pulling again.
Wow, you need to be really good upstairs, like calculation before you can do this.
Yeah, and that is how we get the design.
Wow.
Yeah, to balance the pedals. There is a proper code on how to change the pedals to get the right pattern in each fabric. Yeah.
So now it's changing the thread to green.
Yeah, it's going to use another color.
How long does it take to set this beautiful wool? Because I believe to set this, it has to go through all this, and you have to do it one after the other. How stressful can it be?
Normal, I take like 4 to 6 days, between 4 to 6 days.
Wow.
Depending size of loom. Like that one, just say like 5 days. But for the biggest,
Oh, he's still trying to figure that out. Wow. So this thing is so tiny. How does the wool go inside? I can see that he's trying to put the wool inside.
yeah, we have 2 people here.
Okay. 2 people works in this.
2 people.
That will be very large.
Yeah.
Wow, so he wants to show us how they bring it process.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow. Never thought that's possible. Are these thread or metal? Oh, it's metal. Wow, metal. Is it possible you mistakenly omit one
Yeah, sometimes it happens.
and you have to start all over again?
Yeah. So be careful.
Wow.
This part here. Because when you mess up here, I know I can't get exactly the part that I want.
Whoa. Oh, that's true. Because this thing over there has its own thing that it controls here. What do you call these ones?
We call it shaft.
Shaft. And
Shaft.
that's
Pedal.
paddle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we connect pedal with shaft.
Wow. So the pedal controls the shaft.
Yes.
Wow, that's amazing. And I can see that it just rolls some. So from here, then you bring it down inside, right?
Oh, the man over there
Yeah, him.
is just preparing the small band of thread just for changing colors. Because
Oh.
we change your color here. It's
Wow.
difficult to change your color direct in cone shape. So from cone shape, we have prepared the small band like this over there.
Oh,
Over there. Then we start to change color.
wow, amazing, amazing. Thank you so much.
Then we'll
This is Africa made, produced in Tanzania, and this is lovely.
yeah, handmade.
Handmade. No machine. They set it up and they make it all original cotton. Original, 100%.
Cotton is locally grown in Tanzania as well.
Wow, that's great. Thank you.
When you have something like that, you can,
Do you see here?
yeah.
Actually, we just bind the yarn or the cotton thread in a cone shape like that. You see some cones?
Yeah,
See
cone
cones?
shape.
Yeah. So once we bind them, as we can't change the colors while the yarn is a cone shape like that.
Okay.
So we have to do winding. We have the winding swift here. So we connect the yarn from this side and from that side as well. And then we do the winding. We create a round like this.
Wow.
Later on, we go to there, change the colors to hang down here.
Oh.
Yeah.
So that's what he wants to do now.
So you can see. So just connecting the yarn from this side
Yeah, those.
and from this side as well.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow. So
It's a full
this
workshop.
comes like this.
Yes, like this, you see?
Yeah, up there,
Yeah. And this one.
and this one over there.
Yeah. Going to
Oh.
white now.
Okay.
Going to white. White. See here? Moving, it's moving.
So we we gonna get this?
Yeah, so we are going to get this one. Later on, we change color.
So you can change it to any color that you want to.
Thank you. For these colors, you use dye and color, right?
Yeah, we actually here we do using types of colors. We do natural dyeing. We also do chemical dyeing.
Okay, which one is preferable? Which one is better?
All of them are better.
Okay.
Yeah, all of them are better.
And it doesn't come off later on?
No, because we have stabilizers that we are using.
Okay.
Yeah, we put the stabilizers and colors together.
And it sticks?
Yeah, stick.
Thank you. Now to another section. Oh, this is amazing. Okay, you said
Jumbo.
what? Jumbo. Okay, that's.
How are you?
How are you?
She's very good. And congratulations.
Tell them we are from Nigeria.
Yeah. Nigeria.
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 Oh, this is Nigeria. Wow. So when you want to make a hand sign, this is Nigeria.
Nigeria. Karibu sana. Say asante.
Asante.
Nzuri sana. All right. So this is team number 2. It is known as tailoring. So here they do sewing activities. You see some machine, sewing machines, and they use different materials to make their items. Especially here they use local fabric. This kind of fabric. Local fabric.
Yeah, we have something like this as well in Nigeria.
Yeah. So this fabric, they are all made in Tanzania. So we buy the printed fabric and we use them to.
This one is more transparent.
Yeah, this is light.
Yeah, very light.
Light
very
and heavy.
Light. Oh.
Types of local fabrics. Yeah. We got some of the items that we are making here. Like,
wow.
This is Kanga Shanga necklace.
Wow.
Kanga Shanga necklace was the origin product, was the first product to be made since the beginning of this program. So Shanga was started since 2007, and the owner of Shanga get this kind of idea. So we started creating necklaces like this. Then he sent it to the Christmas fair, and we find that people like much. So this is the beginning of Shanga. So Shanga was started by this kind of product. Yeah.
Oh my God! Look at that. That's Philip. The iron. That's iron. Philip iron. That's a very old and strong.
Yeah, it's called Philips.
Yeah, Philips. Yeah, Philips. Wow. I haven't seen this in ages.
Yeah.
So what?
Wow! Look
These
at that.
beads, where are they made from?
Those are the marbles. We buy the marbles, but we make the glass beads like this.
Okay.
These beads, we make them out of recycled glasses.
Wow.
Which they make over there.
Right there, you see, we find them making
Recycled glasses.
Yeah. So we use them to make a Kanga Shanga necklace. Like just putting the marbles inside here and the glass beads around outside like this.
Makes it beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Asante sana.
Asante sana.
Guy is doing a Christmas card. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I was wondering.
Oh, this is a Christmas card.
Whoa! Look at the skills. Wow.
See the rest of the stars here. Kid size apron.
Apron, yeah, for the kids.
Bags. Scrunchies.
Oh, beautiful.
Oven mitts. And elephant pillows.
Wow.
Elephant pillows. Luggage tags.
What's that?
This is luggage tag.
Oh,
Luggage tag, yeah.
for your luggage, yeah.
Yeah. Luggage tag.
Thank you.
Kindness is a language in which blind people see and deaf people hear. Wow, beautiful.